Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. Today, we are doing a video, which is folders versus fixed blades. Which do you like over the other, or if you like both, then tell your reasons. I do like both, because this can be in your belt loop and have their own merits. They're stronger, more robust, and they don't have blade play too easily. These are just fidgetable and fun and mainstream too. And with this, you can do this. This you can't. It goes back in here, in and out of the sheath. We gotta pack when I open these two because these are not one-handed openers. Cold steel kudu and Opinel number 7 in carbon steel. This is the Opinel number 7 carbon steel, made in France. This is a buck that's made in China. And this is cold steel kudu. It's made in China. This is high carbon steel. This is 420 HC. And this is 5 CR13. CR15, sorry. 5 CR15 MOV. This is D2, and this is 7 CR steel. It's a little tight in the thing, so I gotta do it one-handed, but these are your fixed blades. These are your folders. I picked randomly on the folders, and these are my main fixed blades that I have. This is how this folder fits in your hand. The ring pull locks it. This just locks it like this, and you can unlock it and then push it down. This has a liner lock. This goes in the sheath and snaps in. This goes in here and button snaps. What is your opinion on these fixed blades and these folders? This is the old timer sharp finger. This is the Kubi, buck, Opinel, and cold steel. And what do you think about these type of belt loops or this type? And what do you think about Kydex versus leather versus nylon? Let me know your opinions and what do you prefer over the other, and everything else you want to tell. You can make a video response, or you could do a regular video on this. Or you could do a regular video response or a comment. Be right back. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe if you haven't. And remember to use those sharp blades. Or remember to belt loop your fixed blade.